We're here at the Eltham Bowling Club. We're a community recreational facility. We do lawn bowls. We have competition pennant and social bowls. We have barefoot bowls. We also have a lot of people that come in and hire our facilities for parties. Our visitors that come here aren't all the elderly. As a bowling club, our youngest member is actually 19. He started playing here when he was 14 and still going. We have a couple of men in their 30s playing. 30s, 40s, 50s, 60. Our eldest member is 92. General members can come in and roll on the green with their friends or just for training themselves for practice. Any time that there's not competition games on. We have pennant on a Tuesday and a Saturday, but not always home games because we do travel to other clubs for those games. We have social bowls on a Wednesday, and Friday evenings we have a big outside group which we call 40-40, and they're mostly younger people that come in after work and they run a competition. The council came in and painted our buildings, and that inspired us to look at renewing our furniture, and with the help of Nextrend we sourced our tables and chairs. We needed chairs to start with that were very stable, easy to move about. Because of the different activities that we have in the club, we're forever moving the room around. Tables, we needed them to be able to be moved easily but also fold up and out of the way and stack. We had a really good look around at other clubs and the name Nextrend came up, so we made inquiries there. We did find that they were so helpful from the get-go, and once we worked out what we wanted, everything from the ordering to delivery was seamless. We did have one chair arrive faulty, and it was just a quick phone call and the chair was replaced within days. Since having the tables and chairs, our bookings all through the summer have been overwhelming. It was a great word of mouth experience for us, and we've found people, even today we had a group in and they've sat on our chairs and said, "Oh, these chairs are so comfortable, where did you get them from?" So yes, and prior to that we did have another club, not a bowling club, that wanted to know where we got our tables and chairs from, and I understand they've already purchased some as well.